To count steps with your Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can easily do this with a built-in widget. So click and hold empty space on your home screen, go for the widgets, and right now you will have to scroll down and search for a steps counter. It should be available somewhere here. When you tap on it, you can actually find this widget and click here to add it to the home screen. What you can do after you put it here, you can just simply change its position, or for example put it on the another screen. Now you will have to set it up. You will have to click agree. You can change a goal. For example, we can set like 10,000 10,000 steps. And you can also see here distance, duration, calories for each day. And now when you go back, you can see it over here. We can quickly go to the details and also make sure that you enable location, because without location your phone will be not able to count steps properly.